everyone, I just want to come on here and show you our new sliding door stopper. It's basic, but super effective. It's got a rubber stopper on this side and then another stopper over here on this side. But basically, it's extendable. You can see all the different holes right here. You just punch this through, twist it, and then extend it to the length that you need. I'm just going to try to go to the very last hole here. So that's, you got that. It goes up to 50 inches. So you can see, like, for a massive sliding door. You just put it in the frame in the bottom and you're good to go. But I'm unscrewing this because I want to show you that you can take this apart if you don't need the extra inches, and then just put this on, and then you can go with this. And then of course this again is adjustable. You just twist it to whatever length you need for your sliding door or window, and it just sits right in the base there to prevent it from being opened. So super effective, super easy for me when I travel, very packable, and I would definitely recommend it.